Hey class, this is Mr. Self, and I want to take a minute to walk you through how to create your Padlet.com page for your final for this spring. So we're going to go ahead and start out by opening the internet. Okay, let's see. And we're going to go to this website, Padlet.com. You're going to have to sign up for an account. The easiest way to do this is if you already have a Gmail or a Google account. That's what I use. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to go to login. Either if you already have that Google account, you can do it this way. If not, you're going to need to start one. But I'm already going to go to login. And notice it gives me the option of logging in with Google or Facebook. We don't want to use Facebook because if you want to be able to access this page at school, you're not going to be able to because Facebook is blocked. So we're going to go to login with Google. And I'm going to select my account. And it takes me to my Padlet page. So this is kind of what we call the dashboard. What we're going to start out with is we're going to go up here and we're going to click on the plus sign where it says Make a Padlet. Okay, I'm going to open this. And it's going to just give you several options here. I just usually pick the first one. It's called Wall. It just puts things kind of on the page as you put them on there. And later on, I'll show you how you can go in and rearrange everything if you need to. Let's go ahead and hit select. All right, so when we first do this, the Padlet that it opens up for us, it randomly selects a background for us. Notice it also randomly selects a title and a detail line. And it also selects right here, look at this just randomly selected combination of letters and numbers. I want to show you how to change all that. First thing we're going to do, we're going to change the background to whatever we want it to be. Okay, I'm going to just go with something a little simple, so I'm just going to go with this one right here. All right, just this nice green background. All right, I go back. I'm going to go right here where it says title. I'm going to highlight that and we're going to change it. What I'd like for you to do, I want you to put your name, so I'll put my name here. And I want you to put your hour, or I'm sorry, let's just say, we'll call it Mr. Self's final example page. What I'd like for you to do is maybe write your name right up here, so you can put your name, let's say your name, and let's say your final for the spring semester, something like that. I'll let you choose what you want to write there. But something where I know it's your final. On your description, that's this little word right here. I want you to highlight it over here in this bar. And let's put in your hour and the class that you're in. So if you're in my 4th hour ceramics 2, just type in 4th hour ceramics 2. All right. I'm going to change that. I'm just going to put ceramics teacher at Heights. Okay. So we'll put in right there, like I said, your name with your final page, that this is for your final. And right here, I want you to write down your name and class, okay, that you're in. Let's go ahead and go to next right here. All right, this is where you have to decide what kind of page this is going to be. I need you to make it public, so we're going to click on this little globe that says public. That way I can access your page. I can do what I need to do on here. All right, those with access can write. It says, it gives me several options. I want you to make sure it says can write. So we want to leave that like that. All right, and then we're going to go to next. And we're all finished with building our page. Now we can start adding content. All right, so how do I add content to my Padlet page? I just double click anywhere on the screen and it opens a box. The very first box you're going to put in is what we call our artist statement. Okay, an artist statement is where you get to tell several things. You get to tell why you like to make artwork. You get to explain what kind of materials you like to use. And I also want you to include, why is art significant to you? Okay, you're going to explain several things. The other page that I provided for you gives you an example of an artist statement. So refer to that page if you need to, and you can put in your artist statement. Now, let's go ahead and click out of this. Let's see if I can get this to work. Let's see. Normally, it's not letting me move. It's wanting to stay right here. I'll have to investigate that a little bit. But usually I can expand this box, make it a little larger, and I can put it wherever I want. But that's okay if it won't let you. We just got to kind of do this single kind of grid form. We will. All right, so I have my artist statement. My next thing I'm going to put in, I want to show you how to put in an image. So I'm going to double click again, creating a new box. I'm going to click on this little upload arrow. And I'm going to pick a file. So I'm going to go into my computer. Let's see here, desktop, pictures. And I'm going to select some of my artwork. And let's say I want to put this photograph of this bull in. I double click it. And it might take a second, but it should be downloading it. It says over here that it's uploading. There we go. So now I've got a picture of my artwork. I want to go ahead and give this artwork a title. If you have a title for it, like an actual artistic title, go ahead and put that in there. If you don't, and it's just simply a ceramic bowl, which is what this is, I'm just going to type in bowl. Nothing extravagant here. All right, underneath, I'm going to write a description. I'm going to write down that it's wheel thrown with high fire clay. And it also has, notice that down here I've used some slip transfer and underglazes. So maybe I'll write down high fire clay with slip transfer and underglaze. Now, here's what I want you to do next in this description box. I want you to tell me a little bit about this artwork. Okay? I want you to write down what we've been doing all year long, a little reflection. That's where you're going to explain what you like about this work, something that you don't like about your work, and what changes would you make if you were to make this work again? Okay, and you're going to leave it like that. Okay, I think the instructions are that you need to put in at least 3 images of your artwork with this information. Okay, I will come in once you have sent me the link to this website. I'll come in and I might put in some comments, or I might make my own text box where I provide you some feedback. And this might be something where I give you your final grade. And mention any kind of accomplishments that you've done. All right, something like that. All right, let me show you one last thing. I should have showed you this when we started. Notice this website still has this randomly generated numbers and letters. Let's go up here. Oh, let's see if I can find where it's at. Right down here. If I scroll down to the bottom, it allows me to change the name of this. So I can change it to, let's call it Spring 2018 Example. Hit save. And it should change it right up here. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Let's try that again. Save. Oh, there it goes. All right, we got it that time. Close it. Notice it changed the title of the website. Makes it a lot easier than trying to randomly select those numbers and so forth. So, that being said, we'll go over this in class. I hope this is beneficial to you. You can view this from home, and we'll go from there. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your